My freshman year, I took IB 199. That was some like intro to research class. Loved it. Like different professors came in every week. It just got me really excited about grad school and like things like that, research for sure.
So my research right now is in the animal science department. So you definitely don't have to do research only within IB or even MCB. You can do research in all different departments, psychology, neuroscience. I'm in the animal science department right now, but I'm working on a neuroscience project. I am just enrolled in IB 490 now, so I just started my independent project, and we're studying the way that nutrients affects stem cell proliferation and apoptosis in the intestine of rats.
For labs, I actually emailed a couple professors, and Professor Gillette got back to me and said, come in to take a look, and I thought his research was pretty cool, so I hopped on board, and now I'm working in the Gillette lab.
First specimen we got in was a female Octopus bimaculoides, and it turned out she was gravid. Over winter break, she laid close to 200 eggs on the underside of like this giant abalone shell.
When we turned, they all started to hatch. We had to raise them. It was pretty cool. They were cannibalistic, so we had to find little jugs to keep them all in. And we actually managed to get them to survive all throughout semester. And then we ended up sending them off to Stanford for transcriptomics research. So yeah, it was a very cool experience.
I've been in the same lab this is my third year. So I started as a first semester sophomore. And it's an organic chemistry lab. It works with organometallic catalysis and as it applies to synthetic chemistry. And I started off just doing a lot of grunt work, like synthesizing simple substrates, and then testing them with our catalyst, and doing that over and over again. And then I also helped with Hammond analysis, which was like an analysis on like electronic sensitivity of our catalyst. That led to me being on the publication. Because I worked with one of the natural products on that paper, my senior project now that I'm working on is to take natural products and drug molecules and diversify them using our amination strategy.
I'd also say presenting at the Undergraduate Research Symposium has been a highlight of my undergraduate career, and that was something that through my project in the first honors course in 270 that we were able to then make that into a poster and present our research and be able to be finalists at the Undergraduate Research Symposiums. For my senior project, I'm currently working on a project with ticks in Kenya, and so that's something that I'm going to put together into a poster, and I've applied to present at the Undergraduate Research Symposium again. And it's this project where we're coming up with a new genomic protocol for figuring out what pathogens are in different species of ticks.
So I work in the chemistry department here, actually, and I do a ChemBio project on deoxyribozymes. So we always think of DNA as this sacred book in the library of our nucleus that we cannot check out of the library, and it's only used for reference material. But actually, DNA can be an enzyme. And when you think about it, that makes a lot of sense, because ribosomes are partially ribozymes, which are RNA enzymes, and DNA and RNA are really structurally similar. So I work on identifying novel DNA enzymes that can phosphorylate peptide chains.